Time now for our Solar Powered Minute, and joining us once again is Wyatt Everhart, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. First of all, welcome back, Wyatt.
Brian, great to be back with you here on ABC 7.
Yes, excited to see you again. Let's talk about this. Many homeowners with an aging roof may be starting to think it's time to get it replaced, especially before winter kicks in. But would now be a good time to also consider maybe upgrading to solar at the same time?
Absolutely. You know, it's one of those things. No one really likes the idea of shopping for a new roof, right? The whole process, I mean, it can be expensive. There's a lot of work that goes into that. But the great news is this. If you are in need of a new roof, and you've ever thought about solar or just getting away from all your crazy expensive power bills that just keep going up, this is the ideal time to do it. Because when you do a new roof and then put a new solar system on top of that roof, typically everything overhead warranted for at least 25 years or longer.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and at Solar Energy World, we're even able to help you facilitate a new discounted new roof that would go on in kind of a combination project. The solar would come after the roof, or you can use your own roofer. But either way, that new roof plus new solar, it's the best possible way, best possible time to do it. And beyond that, if you really would like to, or you want to make the financial process even easier, you could actually finance the entire project. But there's something to the peace of mind, and everything over the head is new and under warranty.
And you can do it all one-stop shop, you know, 2-in-1. That sounds good. How can more people find out information about this, Wyatt?
Well, we'd love you to just give us a quick call, 877-SOLAR-TV, or you can also check us out online, solarenergyworld.com. We'll take a look at the house and the roof and give you estimates on both that and the solar, or again, we can do just one or the other.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much, Wyatt.
Thank you.